Happy Teachers Day 2020. Teachers and students across the world have a unique bond. Most of us, after finishing school and colleges, remember our favorite teacher. On Teachers Day, we send them emotional messages and thank them for believing in us and guiding us our tough times. A teacher or a mentor may not be restricted to school and college. Anyone may be that person who can look up to as a role model. Who is a good teacher? Provocative, thought-provoking, thorough, honest, fair, knowledgeable, generous, passionate, kind, determined, relentless, enthusiastic, colorful, stimulating, well-spoken, balanced, unbiased, exciting, disciplined, flexible, versatile, creative, intelligent, sensitive, prepared, organized, effective. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online, taking education to the next level. This year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. A teacher's job, more than ever, today demands our attention to reinvent our readiness to be that facilitator in student life and be available all the time. Students salute such teacher qualities in us, and whenever they look up to us, probably they search to see if we have such qualities and have an idea of the bigger picture, if who they want to be. Students need that teacher in you. Last but not the least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Thank you to all my teachers who have always been our guiding light and support. Thank you once again. I would like to thank everyone for giving me this opportunity, and I am very proud to be a teacher.
அறியாமை இருளகற்றும் அறிவு சூரியன்களாய் திகழும் அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் இந்த காணொளி சமர்ப்பணம். அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். ஆசிரியர் பணி அறப்பணி, அதற்கு நீ உன்னை அர்ப்பணி. மாதா, பிதா, குரு, தெய்வம் இவ்வகையில் இறைவனுக்கு முன்னால் இடம் பிடித்தவர்கள் ஆசிரியர்கள். ஆசு கூட்டல் எரியர் ஆசிரியர். ஆசு என்பதற்கு குற்றம் என்பது பொருள். இரியர் என்பதற்கு நீக்குபவர் என்பது பொருள். ஆம், ஆசிரியர்கள் சமூகத்தின் குற்றங்களை நீக்குவதற்காகவே அவதாரம் எடுத்தவர்கள். ஆசிரிய பணி என்பது வெறும் கல்வியை மட்டும் போதிப்பது இல்லை. ஒழுக்கம், பண்பு, ஆன்மீகம், பொது அறிவு என அனைத்தையும் மாணவர்களுக்கு எடுத்து கூறி அவர்களை சிறந்த மனிதர்களாக்கும் உன்னத பணியாகும். ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியராக தமது இறுதி காலம் வரை வாழ்ந்து காட்டி மாபெரும் தத்துவ மேதையாக திகழ்ந்தவர் டாக்டர் சர்வப்பள்ளி ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் அவர்கள். இவர் இந்தியாவின் முதல் துணை குடியரசுத் தலைவரும் இரண்டாவது குடியரசுத் தலைவருமானவர். அன்னாரின் பிறந்த நாளான செப்டம்பர் 5ஆம் நாளை ஒவ்வொரு வருடமும் ஆசிரியர் திருநாளாக இந்தியா முழுவதும் கொண்டாடி வருகின்றோம். வாழ்க்கை என்ற பாடத்தை கற்றுத்தந்து மாணவர்களுக்கு உண்மையான வழிகாட்டியாக விளங்கி களிமண்ணாய் திகழும் மாணவர்களையும் சிற்பமாய் செதுக்கும் சிற்பிகள்தான் ஆசிரியர்கள். அன்பை ஊட்டுவதில் அன்னையாய், அறிவை வளர்ப்பதில் ஆசானாய், தவறுகளை தட்டி கேட்பதில் தகப்பனாய், கண்டிப்பை காட்டுவதில் காவலனாய், மாணவர்கள் என்ற கட்டிடத்திற்கு மாபெரும் அடித்தளமாய், அறிவை அள்ளி கொடுக்கும் அட்சய பாத்திரமாய், ஆசிரியர்கள் எடுக்கும் பரிமாணங்கள்தான் எத்தனை எத்தனை. அர்ப்பணிப்போடு அறப்பணி செய்யும் ஆசிரியர்களே, வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு, வளர்க உம் தியாகப்பணி என்று கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி.
A very happy morning to all. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Let's get back to our normal lifestyle soon. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. The day provides the occasion to celebrate the teaching profession worldwide, take stock of achievements, and draw attention to the voices of teachers who are all at the heart of efforts to attain the global education target of leaving no one behind. A teacher is a light to the world. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all. In this pandemic situation, along with police, doctors, nurses, teachers also render service. Teachers are adapting to a host of exhausting new challenges during this situation. Teaching is the one profession which creates all other profession. I am so proud that I am a teacher. Let's all stand together and hope for a better tomorrow. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.
Good morning to all. Firstly, I convey my best wishes and greetings to all the wonderful fellow teachers out there. Secondly, I extend my warm wishes to my teacher who had inspired me. I cherish all the good memories with them. They have role modeled by their passion, dedication towards their noble profession. Every mother is the first teacher of her child. I would like to express my gratitude to all mothers in this occasion. Let's reflect on a few quotes of some influenced personalities. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Welcome and a cheery morning to our eminent chairman and madam, respected principals, vice principals and my dear colleagues. There is no doubt that teachers are a harbinger of change and only those who experience it will realize their importance. Today, on this Teachers' Day, I would like to acknowledge the great contribution of our teachers. What made me decide to become a teacher? One experience. When I was in school, there was a teacher who was a little bit harsh with us. That day was a little bit more different. So when all were talking, she entered the class and she asked who all were speaking. So nobody put up their hands, they just kept quiet. And then she said, if you fear God, you have to stand up. So I stood up. I was the first one to stand up. But then I turned and saw nobody stood up. She came straight to me and she said, you'll never come up in life. So this was really harsh on her part and it hurt me a lot. I went home and told my father. What he said was, what you did was right, but the next time you keep your mouth shut and change yourself. So from that day onwards, I decided to become a teacher, and then I would like to contribute whatever I've learned to all those students and to give them an opportunity to come up in life, to soar up high in the sky. And before I conclude, a tribute to all those teachers with a small quote. Being one is the highest privilege. Having one is the best blessing. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning all. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day serves as a reminder to appreciate the teachers for their services. It is celebrated on 5th of September on the birthday of our former President, Sri Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. a well-known scholar, teacher, and promoter of education. Undoubtedly, teacher is a person who helps a student to grow their mind, personality, and make them a better citizen. So they take the responsibility to educate the newer generation to build a better world. So they are very important person in a society. So here I want to tell the full form for the teacher, the word teacher. T stands for talent, E for excellent, A for honorable, C for charming, H for humble, E for encouraging, R for responsible. Once again, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
To all, happy Teachers' Day. For every successful person, behind there will be a good teacher. Today, I am going to say a poem about why God made teachers. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see, and became a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow, so we can all decide how to live and how to do what is right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us to learn, make the world a better and wiser place. Thank you. Once again, happy Teachers' Day for all.
A very happy morning to all my dear teachers and our dear students. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day. Today I would like to say a few words about the role of a teacher. Teachers are the eye-openers. Teachers play an essential role in education, most especially in the lives of the student. They teach in the classroom. What defines a teacher is his or her ability to teach students and a positive influence on them. The role of a teacher in education goes beyond teaching. In today's world, teaching has different phases, and a teacher has to carry out the part of being an external parent, counselor, mentor, role model, and so on. The qualities of teacher are patience, empathetic, encouraging, cheerful, sense of humor, soft-spoken, absence of pride, self-control, and creative. Makes each student a good citizen in their future. A teacher is like a potter who craves mud into a fixed shape and turns it into a pot. To conclude, I would say, in the hands of a gifted teacher, a classroom is a magical place. In the hands of a gifted teacher, there is a smile on each child's face. Thank you.
No matter where I go, when I look back on this road, I know you will always be a part of who I am. Everything that I have known, every seed of greatness that you have sown, through right or wrong, through thick and thin, your love has watched me grow. I know you have inspired and guided us all through our ways. So in this very moment, thank you to all the teachers for guiding me and shaping me and molding me in what I am today. At this juncture, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the management of RLT CBSE Shantiniketan, spearheaded by our beloved Chairman Sir, Ma'am, the senior principals, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all my lovely colleagues out there who have been the guiding light and source of inspiration for me when I seemed completely lost a couple of months back. So thank you. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being my confidence. Thank you for being my inspiration. Thank you for being my support. Thank you for being my encouragement. Indeed, teaching is one of the most noblest professions that we have known. We are there to guide the children who are to become the future citizens of this world. And in this difficult and challenging times, it is the support, the encouragement from our management and all those who are in that keeps us going through these difficult times. So once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to each one of you. Love to be a teacher, and I'm proud to be a teacher. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. Today is a special day for all of us where we can pay hearty tribute to our teachers for their untiring efforts. On this occasion, myself rendering smart things to follow by yourself. Follow this to be smart. Forget what you gave, remember what you gain. Obedience gives rewards, so be obedient. Life is full of problems, face it. Lend a helping hand to ill-fated fellow beings. Observe the things happening around you. We all are one before God. True friendship gives you rewards. Honor your parents. Identify your mistakes. Sweet tongue is the hallmark of a cultured person. Talents are sleeping inside the mind, so make them wake up. Overconfidence should be avoided. Be grateful to those who were helpful to you. Encourage others and yourselves. Show compassion to all living beings. Maintain discipline and love others. Attain success through sustained perseverance. Respect your masters immensely. Think everything positively. Thank you.